Kitten.
I called her Squeaks. Squeaks.
Oh. That's scary.
Hello.
Hang there.
No way. Where's that product in your head? When we sleep.
Hmm?
Where they sleep.
She probably left.
Huh?
She probably left the house.
No. I can't believe I could have
Probably squashed right there.
Hello. Oh my God, listen though. Last night, I went and I laid down. Are you listening?
Yes.
I went and I laid down and I like pulled my pants on and I got in the bed and I leaned back and I heard and she made like the slightest little like and I laid on her. I got scared.
Savage. Hello, Kitten.
I called her Squeaks. Squeaks. Same group of girls in a picture.
Found her?
Huh?
Found her?
No.
Oh, she's dead.
No, she's not. Don't
She's
say
been
that.
picked up by a falcon.
No, she's not. Don't say that. Did you check downstairs?
Yes, I just went downstairs.
Look, I even gave her some milk this morning.
Oh, she's lost forever.
Okay, well. Oh, and it's stuck on the milk bottle. Jesus.
Hello, I'm looking for my daughter.
She's my daughter too. Where do you think she would be at? She was literally in here before, like, you came.
Okay, how long were you gone?
Wasn't gone at all.
How long were you gone, baby?
I was here and I was doing my
She was probably under the bed. She probably snapped her neck.
Hello? If I did, then you would see her under here.
Hello?
Find her.
Is this recording?
Find her!
Is this recording? It is. It is. Where's the cat, Jamie? Where's the cat?
Were you nervous?
You know what? With all these pranks, the audio's gonna be off again with your luck.
It's not. I made sure of it. I mean, the window was open. I didn't get to close the window, so you probably hear the rain in the background.
In there. I knew it.
Squeaks. Oh.
You probably did lose.
What if I really did lose her? Squeaks.
Nothing.
She was in there. Do you know where Squeaks is? Hermana.
Hermana.
Where is Hermana?
What is hermana?
I don't know. He knows that I'm hiding
You
her.
put her there.
Okay,
You
but
lost
she's not
hermana.
there. She's not there.
Oh my God.
She escaped.
You lost hermana.
I didn't lose my cat.
Where Where you
I
put
put
her
it right
exactly?
there.
You think she's gonna walk around? Jaylene, I hope you know. I hope you know there's a little webber right there where she can easily fit. And if she's dead, she's dead.
No, she's not. Shut up. Find her. Naki. Okay. Where is she? You
Hey guys. Hermana!
Hello?
Oh, hermana.
Oh my goodness, she was quiet.
Wow, I'm like, yo. I was hoping she was gonna.
Oh.
And you find hermana.
Squeak.
Hermana. And
I told Naki before you came, I was like, when Otto comes, I'm gonna put the kitty in here. And she was like, okay, okay.
Well, forget you, bro.
But then you came really fast, and
That's what she said.
I was like, I didn't have any time to do anything.
I was like, where's that?
Aw.
It's not
Come
that.
here,
hermana.
Squeaks. Oh yeah, take her. Take her. Yay. Thanks, sister.
Let's go.
Hermana. Hi, hermana.
I know. Otto. Oh my god, I'm out of focus. Well, guys, that's another prank for me.
Right.
No, what usually happens is this would have been my fourth prank, but two of the pranks didn't work out because either the sound on the camera was off or the battery died. So that's what happened last time. I didn't have enough storage. So.